Hi, in this session we are going to see how to prepare latex document for SEA journal or high impact factor journal. Generally, this journal require the authors to submit latex document for easy processing. Hence, we are going to discuss how to prepare latex document for a journal. For that, first we need to have a template. For example, I'm going to take template from a specific journal called Micron. So I just open Google and I just simply typed Micron elsewhere. So the journal site will open. In that we have to see gate for other, in that we have to go to latex, that is search latex and click latex, and they will show the templates. Okay, here you can see template, so you have to download the template. So you have just click it and the template will be downloaded. So you have to take the template and prepare for the document. So already first you have to download the latex template of elsewhere, and it's actually a zip file. You have to unzip the file, and when you're opening the document and the folder, you'll get a lot of files. In that we are going to choose elsewhere template number.text. Okay, so in that file we are going to use it. So if you want to open this file, you should have latex software. So you can go to Google and type latex download, and you can have a lot of download site. I have downloaded the software from Get Latex, Mac OS, Windows and Linux. I just opened and I have downloaded. I've downloaded, depends upon the system. Here I am using Mac OS, so MacBook Air. So I just downloaded for Mac OS and I have installed it. Okay, after installing it, we have to open the document, that is text document. So this is the document, else text. We are going to use else article template number. So I'm going to rename this text document like elsewhere article text dot text. So we're going to use this file to prepare latex document for this journal. So already I have done this document, so I'm just opening it, elsewhere article text. So this is the latex document. So when you are seeing it, it's starting with document class, preprint 12 point, else article, and they have given different kind of formats. So now we are going to prepare basic document, and then we will depends upon the journal, we can change that template. So here we are going to prepare for Micron journal. So I'm just typing Micron for in this journal, and here the document begins. Okay, begins, and we have to one by one copy and paste the document. So for that we need to prepare Word document. So I have already prepared one Word document. I am just taking and using that we are going to prepare it. So first I am just opening Word document of the journal paper. So this is the journal paper, and I have written the paper, and we are going to one by one copy and paste, and we are going to convert Word document into latex document. First I'm starting with the title. So before doing that, we should know what are the things in this paper. So I'm just showing, so it's a title, and author, author name, author affiliation, then abstract, keywords, and different sections like introduction, methodology, dataset, pre-processing, and etc. And there is no problem with simply copying the text and pasting it. There is no problem. But when you are dealing with images, so we have to be very careful, and we have to use different tools to upload the image, and then equations. So for that we are going to use site, and we are going to prepare equations, and also we have to use a different site online tool for preparing table content. So these are the things, and in particular references. So if you want to really prepare for a journal, you have to concentrate on text, then figures, table, and references. So if you, it's very difficult to concentrate all these things in one session. So I'm subdividing the session into 5 groups, and I'm going to upload it. So first I'm going to concentrate only on equations and text. So starting with title, author, affiliation, and text equations. So we have a separate session for preparing figures, then tables and references. So I'm just starting with the text. So this is the document. So each and every time when you are inserting a new content, you try to run the software. So you have to use PDF, LaTeX, MK, typeset. If you are clicking it, so the document will open. So this is the document. So you can see title, abstract, introduction, acknowledgement, confidence, references, etc., etc. So one by one we are going to insert it. So first you have to open the document. So Word document, I'm starting with title. So I'm just simply copying the title and inserting in the title box. So just replacing title. So once you entered it, just click typeset. So what you have inserted, it will come. Then you are going to insert the name of the authors and affiliation. So we have 2 others. If you have 3 or 4 authors, depends upon the authors, you have to include and insert it. Okay, so I'm just using this one. So here you have to uncomment it for author and address. So here author name you are going to type here or insert it. So if you have more than, if you have only one author, there is no problem. If you have more than one authors, you have to label it. Here I'm going to label like Shahul, and for this author Shahul address. So author name and then address. So I have included author name, then I'm going to insert address. So Professor, Department of ECE, Sales Institute of Technology, Karyapati, something like that. I'm just inserting it. After inserting it, I have to immediately run and check whether the things are coming correctly. Yeah, of course it's coming correctly. So and after that I'm going to use another author. So I'm just simply copying and pasting it, so, and change the label. So another author is Shahir. So I'm copying the name of the second author and inserting it. Okay, then affiliation, some associate professor, Department of CSE, College of Engineering, Madurai, something. So I'm just simply copying and pasting it and then running it. So just see this, and here you have to change the label. So okay, now there are two others, A and B and their affiliation. If you really want to include more others, you can just copy and then paste it. The third order will come. Fine. ABC, something like that. But we will conclude with two others, so I'm just reading it. Okay. So this is related to title and author. Then we have to think about abstract. So come here you can see abstract, begin abstract and end abstract. Simply just copy the text and paste it. Okay, and the text and paste it. So and then immediately you can run it. So whenever you are copying and pasting it, you just try to run the software. So it's very important, because if any error comes, it's very simple to identify. So I have completed the abstract. Then we are going to include keywords. So here we have 5 keywords. One is gray level co-occurrence matrix. I'm just simply copying it, and I'm going to paste in the session given under keywords. So simply pasting it, and we have to give space to different keywords. So here I have 5 keywords. So we are going to differentiate keywords using a tool called /sep. So first keyword, this is the first keyword, and then /sep, then second keyword is thresholding. So I'm just copying and pasting it, and space, then /sep, third keyword entropy, global entropy, then space sep /sep, then os2, then space /sep active contour. These are the keywords. So keyword part is over. Just run it and see whether the keywords are coming correctly, or yeah, of course it's coming correctly. So keyword is over. Then I'm directly starting the session. First one is introduction. So you have to start with section introduction. So when you're seeing this, under the section you may have more number of subsection. So if there is no subsection, there is no problem. And if you have more than one subsections, you have to type like subsections, like something like this, /subsection and subsection, and like that you have to type and you can proceed. So here in introduction we have only one section, so I'm simply typing, and I'm just inserting the text. So starting with the first paragraph. Here we are not going to bother about the reference we are going to use later. Okay, separate session we are going to discuss about how to include references. I'm simply inserting the text in this session. So first I am inserting the first paragraph. So after inserting it, you have to check whether it is coming or not. So it's coming. So second paragraph, and of course we don't need to worry about it, and simply you can go 3 or 4 paragraphs one by one. So why I am so specific about paragraph by paragraph? Because if you don't give any space between adjacent paragraph, then it will consider as a complete text, and it's create a lot of problem. It's very difficult to identify each and every subsections, or each and every paragraph. So we have to be very careful in pasting one by one. So I'm redoing it. So I'm just taking the second paragraph starting from this one gently, and it's stopping here. Okay, I'm pasting it, and then I'm giving space and third paragraph. Okay, third paragraph. Now I am running the software. So just see this second, third paragraph. Now, when seeing the document, we have a figure. Figure we will do it later. So it's very simple to include figure and insert. It's very simple, and we will do it later. So in this session, we are going to only discuss about how to include the text. Now we are going to see the second section. Second one is methodology. In that you can find more number of subsections. So I'm starting with methodology. So section and section bracket open, and I'm just simply copy and pasting the things. It's called methodology. So just run it and just check whether it is coming or not. So second one is methodology. Then it has a lot of subsections. First subsection is data set. So we have to use subsection like subsection, like it open, close, and you have to say that data set. Data set. Okay. Then run it. Yes, automatically it will come like 2.1 data set. Now we have to copy the text and paste it. Now I'm simply copying the paragraph and I'm pasting it. Okay, when I'm pasting the document, it is not in black color and it is showing some red color. Here the problem is it's purely depends of, it's related to percentage symbol. Here percentage symbol, when you are using percentage symbol, the entire text will be blocked, commented, and it will not be run. So in order to differentiate, you have to put slash. When I'm putting slash, automatically it will not be blocked and it will be run. So I'm just now running that text document, and my data set it's come here. There is no problem, but still I have some problem related to this section. That is 975 cross thing. These things we have to be uh, it should be visible, so it should be, it's like to equation. So I'm just, what I'm doing is I'm going to use dollar symbol before and after it. So when you're using it, automatically it will be highlighted like equation. So x is something like equation. So wherever you want to include a equation, the text, you have to use dollar symbol. And of course there is no problem with 40x is there, 40x, and here also we have to use that symbol, dollar symbol. Okay, and I think it's okay, there is no other problem. Yes, 40x, and this one. Then the next one is 2.2 pre-processing. In Word document we have to clearly mention each and every subsection like 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, but in LaTeX we don't need to give numbers to any subsection or section. Automatically it will take it. Like just simply I'm writing like subsection. The subsection is pre-processing. Okay, I'm just copying and pasting it, pre-processing. Okay, pre-processing, I'm just typing pre-processing. So when you're running it, automatically it will come like 2.1 pre-process, 2.2 pre-processing, 2.1 is data science. I have not given any number. That is the advantage of LaTeX. So under pre-processing we have figures and etc., but we are not going to concentrate on figures now. And I'm simply typing the paragraph and I'm inserting it under pre-processing. So I'm running it. Just see the text has come. So after pre-processing we have another section called G threshold technique, that is 2.3. So I'm just starting with another subsection called subsection called GE thresholding technique. GE thresholding technique. I'm copying and pasting it. Pasting and closing the bracket. Okay. Here the problem starts. So we have lot of equations in this section, subsection, and we have to one by one we have to include it, starting with first paragraph. When you are seeing this first paragraph, you can see a lot of symbols and equations inside it. So one by one we are going to write it. So I'm just copying it and pasting it. Just see what are the things is available and what are things not available. Just see this. So this is the equation, but this is simple. Okay, is notation. So we have to differentiate with dollar symbol. Okay, first one is F. Okay, this is dollar symbol, then starting with dollar symbol, but F underscore F, just see this F underscore is that if you really want to do underscore, then you have to put underscore is that. Okay, then you have to close the bracket, close the dollar symbol. So then when you're seeing this m cross n, this is also equation, so you have to use dollar symbol here and here. Then L is also a simple, it's not a letter, simple, and GL here, just see this GL, G underscore L. So you just use dollar symbol and underscore. Okay, L, then close the dollar symbol, then again this also F underscore SO dollar symbol, F underscore Z of. Here the problem is underscore. If you are doing like that, it will take like underscore of Z x comma y, but we need to put is underscore Z only, so you have to use bracket, this bracket, open parenthesis, and now close the equation using dollar symbol. Then here also x comma y is also in equation, so you have to use dollar symbol to highlight it. Then p underscore ij, just see this p underscore ij, so use dollar symbol here and underscore. Here we have two I comma j. So I'm going to show you what will happen if you are not using parenthesis. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, this is also equation, so dollar symbol. Now I'm going to run and show what will happen with this text. So first one is 133. We have to close the bracket. Yes. Intensity value. Okay. Yeah, it's showing some error like so we have additionally given closing branches here, so just streaming, and I'm just running the software. I think it's working. Yeah, but when you're seeing the text and latex text, you can find a lot of things missing, like branches is opening and closing branches is not there, and then yeah, few things are missing. One by one we will deal with. Okay, first one is I'm just putting opening and closing branches here. Okay, first this one. So if underscore is that, this may be used for subscripts, and z is equal to open branches. So you have to put backslash here, and closing also you have to put backslash. Similarly, you have to use backslash wherever you find parenthesis inside the dollar symbol, because dollar symbol will not visible, will show the open and closing branches. You have to put backslash. Okay, I think it's okay now. Yeah, It's correct. Okay, fine, it's working. Now we are going to write equation in LaTeX. For that, I'm going to use online tool, that is a website called online latex equation editor. You can search the same text in Google and you can find this site, that is latexeditor.com. You can directly type the equation and then you can copy and paste inside the latex document. So here this is the equation. So P subscript of I comma j. So I'm just typing P. Just see what are the things I'm typing. It is showing here. Okay, there is a so underscore. It's mailed for subscript. So parenthesis open, and now I'm just simply typing I comma j. Just see this P subscript of I comma j is equal to 1 divided by m cross n. So a by b. So just search for a divided by, there is numerator and denominator part, a divided by b. So there is fraction. You can find two branches. So first one is numerator, there is 1. Second one is denominator, there is m cross n. So just see this. When you're typing, it will show. So after that, you have two summation. First summation, here lower and upper limit you have to use. You have two branches. First one is lower limit, that is subscript, and this superscript. So lower limit is x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, and upper limit is m minus 1. So this is first summation. Second summation is lower limit is y is equal to 0. So just to put y is equal to 0 in the first branches, and second one is n minus 1. So after that we have a decision box. So it is a special one. You can find this decision box inside examples. You can just simply click example. You can show a decision rule. So you just simply click it. Here we don't need few things. We are going to delete it and then we are going to use it. Okay, so it's simply clicking it. So this is the equation is coming. Now this part x is, we don't require x, magnitude of x is equal to 0. I am just deleting it. So here you have to find out this one. This is, I am just deleting. So here x minus x, but in this equation we have 1 and 0. So I am deleting x and I am putting 1, and minus x I am just deleting and I am putting 0. Okay, and then we don't require this colon, so I am just deleting it. Then this slash symbol is mainly used to give horizontal space between two texts. Okay, then here they are showing some x is greater than 0, but actually in this equation we have different things. So I'm just deleting x and I'm just typing the things contained in the equation if, and we require some space, so I'm just using backslash and then f subscript of z. So f underscore z of x comma y. Fine, just see the text, it's coming correctly or not. Then is equal to I, and then we have to use and symbol. So it's a simple, so I have to use backslash and then and then space. We have to give space in before and after. So I'm just using backslash before and after the and symbol. Then I'm just typing f of f subscript underscore z of x, then plus delta symbol, delta subscript t subscript x. So I'm just putting plus delta. I have to search for delta. Delta is here, delta underscore, I'm going to put subscript. So I'm just opening parenthesis, t subscript again underscore x. Just see this, x plus delta t subscript x. So one thing is over, comma y plus delta, that is dollar symbol, backslash delta underscore branch is open t underscore y. So the equation is over, and then that this function is equal to j, and we don't require greater than and 0 symbol, just delete it. Now just see the equation both are correct, and then the next one is 0 otherwise. So we have x is greater than 0, we don't require this one, so just delete it and just put otherwise. Now the equation is ready. Okay, I'm just going to copy the equation and I'm going to put in the text equation. Before putting it, I have to mention that it's the equation. So I'm just mentioning like backslash begin equation, close it, and end equation, end backslash end equation. Inside this, I'm going to copy and paste the text. So I'm just copying it and pasting it. Now I'm running the program. Just see this equation is coming. In addition to that, the equation number is also coming, and you can refer this equation number at any place of the text. There will not be any problem. So you don't need to mention equation 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. Automatically, when you are using begin equation, then automatically it will show the number. This is the first one, and if you are putting the next before equation before this equation, then it will assume that before one is first one and this one is second one, and after that third one, like something like that. Automatically it will assign number to equation. That is the important thing in advantage of latex software. Okay, so you don't need to worry about which equation and number we have to refer, etc., etc. Automatically do refer, and you can even label it and you can call it wherever we require. So we are moving to next paragraph. The next paragraph, it contains a lot of things. Okay, then just copying the paragraph and I'm just pasting it here. The important thing is we have to use this symbol. So here it is not showing, so I'm just using dollar symbol here and bracket open, and then delta t subscript, delta subscript t, the subscript x. So we already have encoded this text, so just copy delta this one and paste it here, comma, and then delta y, this one is just copy and paste it, paste here, and close the brackets, close the bracket, and then put dollar symbol, run it, run it. So okay, fine, so the symbol will come. Just okay, it's fine, it's coming. Now we have to concentrate on the next one. Here we have I comma j, so put dollar symbol here, dollar symbol, then here 0 degree, some 45 degree, etc., etc., that we have to use it. So I'm just using dollar symbol here, and this is superscript. Okay, superscript you have to use. Here you have to use this is actually 45 0 degree, that is superscript. You have to use circumflex symbol. This is a symbol, and it's O. Similarly, for all these things, you have to just copy and paste it. Paste it. $35, and then you close the using dollar symbol, and we generally require some space, so I'm just using backslash, and now I'm running it, and we have to see, yes, it's coming correctly. Okay, fine, Fine. Here the problem is here and is in italic font, so I'm just closing it here and opening it because we don't need any uh, italic font. Okay. Fine. Now after that we have another one is this one is p subscript of I comma j ij. So I'm using dollar symbol here and I'm closing it and underscore of ij. Then here this is also we have to give weightage. Fine. And here also here just I'm just copy and pasting it. Okay, replacing it. Then prayers here also I'm just using because it's also equation, so I'm just putting dollar symbol here, here, here and here, and I'm running it. So it's over. Now we have figure, we will discuss about it later. Then I'm just using this one. Okay, the next paragraph. Next paragraph is this one. It consists of equations and etc. and we are going to use it. Just see this. Here this is the equation. I am just using dollar symbol here. This one here, it is G suffix L. Just see this, G suffix L. So G suffix L. So it's not suffix, it's subscript L. So G underscore L, and here symbol epsilon symbol. So slash epsilon. If you we can use it here. We find the simple and we can use it. Here epsilon is somewhere, yeah, it's here, epsilon. So just copy and use it here. The text epsilon. Now again we have this one p subscript of I comma j, and just copy and paste it. Just when you're seeing this, after that 4 quadrant, as this text is not showing because it's the equation, so I'm going to write here as equation like dollar symbol. So then p here, just see this here, you find subscript and superscript. Okay, so you have to give both it is. So p subscript can be represented using underscore and superscript is represented using circumflex. Okay, now underscore bracket open I comma ij, close it, and superscript using circumflex symbol, this simple bracket open k, capital K, close the parenthesis, comma, give some space using backslash, then capital K is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 dot. Now I'm just running and seeing whether it is coming correct or wrong. No, it's not showing, but because I have not closed the equation using dollar symbol, so I'm just using it now. Yes, it's coming. So fine. So then after this, here this is not coming. Here also I'm going to use equation. It consists of superscript and subscript. So I am opening using dollar symbol. Inside that p underscore parenthesis open ij, then there is superscript of 1, that is enough, comma, and space and simple some space. For that space we have to use backslash, and before and after we can use backslash in order to give then the same one, but underscore superscript is 3. I'm just copying and I'm replacing 1 by 3. Now I'm running it. Just see what's happening. Yes, it's coming. Similarly, we have another equation, this one, that is 2 and 4. Again I'm copying the same thing and putting the corresponding place, like where is it, matrix, the object and background, and object and background, and after and we have to put it, and we have to change the number, like instead of 2 we have to use 3, 1 we have to use 2, and 3 we have to use 4. Fine. Then expressed as here, nothing. Okay, fine. Expressed as one equation is here. This equation also we have to use it. Expressed as this, you can use online tool. These two things you can use online tool and you can encode it. I'm going to use online tool. So P of P, capital P, subscript of K, capital K of T comma S is equal to summation, only lower limit I, and then there is no upper limit, again summation j, lower limit j, P subscript is ij, and superscript is capital K. Okay, now I am just copying it and inserting in the text. Okay, here. So using dollar symbol, I am just copying and putting it. Fine. Now I am running the document. Yes, it's coming. Similarly, we have another equation like okay, P subscript of ij divided by k of x comma t comma s is equal to P subscript is ij and superscript is k divided by P subscript is k of t comma s. Fine. So I'm just copying this equation and inserting the respective place, like after given by this one. Fine. And I'm running it and seeing whether it is. No, it will not count. It won't count because you have to use dollar symbol here and then here. Now it will come. See this? Yes. Now we are moving to next paragraph. Here I am just copying and pasting it. Next paragraph. Here also we have this part is not coming. Already we have encoded this one. Where is it? Yes. Yeah, we will do it. Where we have obtained from, which is obtained from here. You put dollar symbol here. P underscore, parenthesis open, ij divided by k, close it, then bracket open, t comma yes, close it and close this one, and yes, of course it's okay. Then we have to go for next equation. Yes, finished. Now we are going to use we are going to use online tool to write this equation, that is s underscore, that is subscript le of t comma s is equal to summation I comma j, summation, so you have to put a summation subscript, that is lower limit is I, there is no upper limit, and here minus symbol is there. Then again summation, so lower limit is j, then p subscript of ij divided by given 1, that is p underscore brackets open ij given 1, just c of t comma s log, then log the same one, the log, just copy and paste it, copy and paste it. This is 1 minus, you can again copy the entire equation, paste it and change the symbol, like in the place of 1 you have to put 3, and here also 3. Now so we are going to insert this equation. So as far as this text concern, this equation is 2, so I'm using equation begin equation, okay, begin equation and end equation, and inside begin and the end I'm going to copy and paste the equation. Yes, pasting it, I am running it. Just see this, automatically it's giving number to this equation. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2 and so on, and similarly this was the same equation but there is small change in that, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to simply copy and put it here. So here the basic difference between the first and second equation is here 1 and 3 is here, and here 2 and 4 is there, so I'm just using the same equation, there is no change in that, and simply I'm copying and pasting here and changing the notation. Okay, here instead of 1 I'm going to put 2, here also put 2, here 4, and this is 4. Just see, automatically the equation number is generated. Yes, equation number 3. So likewise we can do a lot of things. Okay, so later this I'm copying this one, I'm putting it here. This equation is not coming, so I'm doing manually. So by using dollar symbol, yes, subscript of GE, so s underscore brackets is open GE close the parenthesis of t comma s is equal to the same thing, but the symbol I'm just copying it. Okay, I'm just copying and using it. So instead of GE I'm going to use LE plus JE and closing the equation using dollar symbol. After that, obtained value, this one I have to use it. So optimum threshold value, dollar symbol bracket open t subscript of opt, so like small t subscript of opt comma s subscript of opt, close it and close the bracket and close it. Okay, fine. Yes, it's coming. Something like we can encode everything and we can complete the text. Okay. In similar way, I have prepared the document. I am just copying from already prepared document. I am just putting it. So I am just running the text file I get, yes, of course, to G thresholding, and almost we have completed this one, and we are going for experimental result. Okay, experimental result. So third one. So here also this section is starting, so I'm just putting section only. So automatically up to this subsection, this is section of experimental result. Just see this, automatically it will show the result, number of the section. Experimental result. See this. Yeah, 3 is coming. 3 experimental results. Now you can directly copy the text and you can put it inside. Okay, so this one, and it has table and etc. A table, everything we will do it later. So I'm just putting text only in this session one by one, and we are going to solve problems which is related to text only. So these are all text, and the remaining things we will discuss in subsequent lectures. Okay, so here when you are seeing this, there are a lot of symbols, so we have to put slash, 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 and then here also a slash, and here I told you that you have to put a superscript, circumflex symbol of O. So just copy it and put it in other places to get the simple. Close it using this one, right? Okay, now I'm running the, yes, there is some problem with, yes, so here again something is missing, double slashes there. I think it's corrected. I think there will not be a problem, it will be run. Yes, yeah, that's come fine. So then the result part, the remaining thing, all these things are tables and figures. Okay, so in this particular session we have seen only how to prepare document, latex document, and also equation, okay, using online tool. So in the next session we are going to discuss how to include figures in this paper. The same paper, there are a lot of figures are there. We are going to see how to insert figure in the particular places and etc. and a table. Okay, in addition to that we have to see the reference also. Okay, reference, figures and table. So just see this, there are a lot of errors are there. So the error will come only because of this and symbol. So we have to be very careful in including and symbol here. And symbol should be included by using slash, backslash. And I think we have come to a conclusion. It's a separate section, and the title of the section is discussion. Yes, discussion. I'm just closing. This is the section is 4. Just see this. Yes, it's fourth one. Automatically it will show the section name. Then yes, discussion part. So if you find any and symbol, you have to use backslash in order to escape from the error. Just see this, it's running. Yes, discussion part is over. Then another section is conclusion. Conclusion, the separate section. I am putting a separate section for that. Section conclusion. I am just simply copying and pasting it. That's it. Yes, and then I'm copying and pasting the text. Fine. Running it. Text part is over almost. Yes, conclusion, yes. And then we have some acknowledgement. So we have to use acknowledgement part. Yes, acknowledgement. Yes, I'm just simply copying the text I'm putting in this section. That is in that also we have and simple. I'm just putting backslash here, and then we have there is no conflict of in conflict this is nil. Okay, then it is okay. So the text part and equation part is over, and this is the text. Okay, this is the paper. Just see this paper. Okay, perfectly aligned, and you cannot find any uh, misalignment or numbering, equation numbering, etc., etc. And it's a perfect one if you are really doing it. And only thing is we have to include figures, tables, and references. So we will discuss figure, table, and references in next session one by one. Thank you very much for patiently listening. Thank you.